Hi everyone. I've got the bonnet off. Don't look too bad in here considering it's been over a lot of rain. I've got this on. I've just got to make that them bits that go on the end. All the screw holes line up all the way across. All this is rust treated and ready to be sanded and primered. It's still looking really good in here. All that there pretty much done, apart from the top section. Looking good here. Looking good there. It's got a bit more work to do here. Really looking good. I've got to clean all this up a bit. All this is this dust. This fuse holder, I've got to dimple it down here so that this raises up a little bit so the water don't run in there. I'll get to that. I'm going to go and buy a bolster chisel so I can do some shaping. So yeah, it's looking good. So this is the next bit that I'm going to be doing some work to. So that'll be the bottom scuttle done. But obviously I've got to paint all under here again, because in here is going to be painted the same colour as the car. I'm going to get a colour match off eBay, a spray can, so I can just do inside this bit, so that when the top's on you can see that it's blue in here as well. So yeah, I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Hi everyone, I'm doing the dashboard. All this is the surface rust I'm going to clean off. Rust treat it. Got a cable here, which I think is for the choke. All this is going to be getting cleaned because I want to put this back in the car temporarily using just the bolts, and that way I can get the door pillow frames bolted in to make sure it all lines up. And not only that, I've got some modifications to do. So let's start cleaning all of this up and I'll be back with you shortly. I think this is some of the original primer from Ford. So back with you shortly. Hi everyone. It is absolutely freezing today. Anyway, I've been working on the dashboard. I have wire wheeled it, rust treated. I'm just waiting for that to dry. And I'm going to put some etch primer on it, and then I'm going to sit it in place because I've got some work to do to this. But here is it so far. All the rust is gone, rust treated. Just got to wait for it to go black, and then I'll put some etch primer in there. But that's the inside of the dash. So yeah, I just got an etch primer inside that. I'm going to sit that in the car and put a couple of bolts in to hold it in, because I'm going to use that to continue straightening the side of the door post frames, make sure it's all aligned properly. So yeah, looks pretty good. All the sides are done. Get that put in place, and I could sand that while it's in the car on the outside, ready to go black. I'm not sure whether to do it matte black or gloss black, we'll see. That glove box door there, I'm not using that. I'm having a black one because the hinge is broken on that one. It's knackered. So I've got another one in the parts bin that's black, and I'm just going to put the ghia. I'm just going to put that badge on there on a black one instead, which is rubber. So that'll look nice, because I don't like the wooden trims. And I think, fingers crossed, that I've managed to source some dash clocks. Just gotta make sure that they're the right ones. But if they're not, I only want the speedo and everything anyway, and the rev counter and the indicator lights. I'm not bothered about anything else for the time being. I just want to get it up and running and usable. So I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Hi everyone, I've just cleaned out this out my door hinge. So I'm putting a new pin in there because my old one broke. So I'm just going to clean in there and I'm going to put a new pin in. So I can't line the doors up properly with the pin broken. So I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Getting some really good work done so far. That's it. Yeah. New hinge pinning, the new end caps. Sprayed orange WD foot in there, but they will be getting greased. So there you go, that's one hinge repaired. I do need cleaning up at some point. So that's what I've done so far. And that'll go back in there and back on the door. Right, I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Proper job. Right, I'm just getting now ready to paint this. It's all been rust treated. Now gone black. No more rust remaining in there. It's all clean. Now I'm just going to red oxide primer the inside. And then I'm going to fit this back in the car temporarily while I do some modifications and make sure that everything lines up. So, looking really good. All gone, all the rust is gone. Took me ages, that did. Had to do a bit here, a bit there. I've now sorted my door hinge out. Bit of lining up to do. So I'll be back with you when I've done some more to this, when I've started painting it in red oxide primer. Eventually in here will be going black, and then when it's welded back in I will be sanding and painting the inside of the dash, well, the outside of the dash that's shown in the car, but that won't be done until this is back in permanently. I'm just taking care of the inside. So yeah, back soon. Right, it's been all red oxide primered. Let that dry. And then I'm going to stone chip it black. Because that stone chip I've got, you can paint over that with any colour. So I'll stone chip it and then I'll paint it with some, I don't know, regular black paint, spray paint. I'll give it a few more dabs here and there. So that's it so far. It's absolutely freezing. But things have to be done. I've I'll put the seat in so that I can line up all my bolt holes. That lines up perfectly because the two on that side are good. These two are rotten, so I need a rail, seat rail. But the seats line up with all the holes. Got to raise this bit here up a little bit from underneath, weld a plate underneath for the bolt. These seats are buggered. I'm going to see if I can recover them or look for some nice seats. Like I said, it's not going to be factory, not all over anyway. Yeah, so my door shuts. I'll be back with you shortly when I've painted that black. There you go. It's now all painted black. Just waiting for that to dry. I don't think I'm going to get this back in today for the test fitting purposes, but that's what I've been doing. Looking really good in there now. Every nook and cranny has been got. Perfect. That's me inside of my dash done. I'm just going to do a little bit of tinkering around and I'll start filming for the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm sorry this was a short one, but I'm just getting back into things. So, just some bits and bobs. Keep you updated. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.